Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best fall hanging decor you can get your hands on, the 6pcs Fall Maple Leaves Garland by Party Joy. This stunning 5.6-foot artificial maple leaf garland is designed to bring the essence of autumn into your home. Whether you're preparing for Thanksgiving, celebrating a fall festival, or simply wanting to add some seasonal charm to your space. What sets this garland apart is its realistic design. Featuring an array of 7 vibrant colors, including rich reds, warm oranges, and deep greens, this garland captures the beauty of nature's autumn palette. Each leaf is crafted from high-quality silk, giving it a lifelike appearance that enhances any setting. The attention to detail truly makes it look like real fallen leaves, adding a touch of authenticity to your decor. One of the fantastic features of this garland is its versatility. Whether you want to drape it across your fireplace mantle, hang it on your front door, or use it as a centerpiece for your dining table, the possibilities are endless. Its lightweight yet sturdy construction makes it easy to hang anywhere, indoors or outdoors. You can also get creative by intertwining it with fairy lights for that magical touch during evening gatherings. Perfect for Thanksgiving, this garland sets the mood for family gatherings and celebrations. Imagine hosting a dinner with loved ones, the warm hues of the garland surrounding the table, creating a cozy atmosphere that invites conversation and joy. It's not just a decoration, it's part of the experience, bringing people together during this beautiful season. But the charm of the Party Joy garland doesn't stop at Thanksgiving. It's an excellent choice for weddings, parties, and even seasonal events. You can use it to adorn wedding arches or decorate party venues, making every occasion feel festive and welcoming. Now, let's talk about the quality. Each garland comes with 6 separate pieces, each measuring an impressive 5.6 feet in length. The leaves are made from environmentally friendly materials, ensuring that you can decorate your home without worrying about harmful chemicals. Plus, cleaning and maintaining them is a breeze. Just a quick wipe down, and they're ready to shine again. When comparing this garland to other fall decorations on the market, it stands out for its vibrant colors, realistic look, and durability. Unlike many other options, this garland won't fade over time or lose its charm after one season. It's an investment that will last for years, bringing the beauty of autumn into your home time and time again. And after the season ends, storing it is easy. Its lightweight design allows for simple storage, so you can keep it safe until the next fall season rolls around. There's no need for complicated setups or mess. Just wrap it up and tuck it away. In conclusion, if you're looking to elevate your fall decor this season, the 6pcs Fall Maple Leaves Garland by Party Joy is the perfect choice. It's beautiful, versatile, and made with high-quality materials that will stand the test of time. So, don't wait, transform your space and embrace the beauty of autumn with this stunning garland. Thanks for joining us today on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more great product insights. Share your thoughts about this garland in the comments below, and let us know how you plan to use it this fall. Happy decorating!